Modernity and its challenges. Views of different scholars on modernity. Karl Marx. Modernity is correlated with commodification according to Karl Marx. Marx's theory of capitalist production and the concept of commodity fetishism are intimately intertwined. It is a characteristic of capitalism that social relations take the form of relationships between things. Marx claimed that a commodity is a result of human labor. According to Marx, goods had use value in the past because they were produced by humans to meet their needs and for personal use. However, in contemporary capitalist economies where workers are not entitled to the rewards of their labor, goods now have exchange value. The close connection between human needs and the physical things that can meet those needs is at the heart of use value. For instance, while shoes protect our feet and bread satisfies our hunger, the two cannot be compared because they are qualitatively different. However, as they are just quantitatively different now, commodities are traded for money and other items in capitalism. Although commodities are the results of human work, they can become independent of the wants and needs of those who produced them, and their trade value can float free of the physical commodity and appear to exist in a realm apart from any needs or wants. Even our own labor, which Marx claimed is what genuinely makes us human, is turned into an object that can be bought and sold. Our labor develops a market worth that is distinct from us. Commodities thus turn into a source of estrangement. Marx referred to this practice as the fetishism of goods. In his book, Das Kapital, 1867, in the chapter titled Fetishism of Commodities, Marx discusses how the capitalist method of production results in alienation. As people must buy what they make in factories in the market, the goods that are produced in factories and sold there become fetishes in capitalism. Workers rely on the commodities for their very survival. Workers are unable to see the true reality behind commodities because of their fetishism or infatuation with them. At the expense of their own labor, which is the true driving force behind the production of the commodities, workers begin to consider commodities as though value were inherent in them. This has made the man alienated from the production process, product, fellow workers and one's own potential. Marx sees two broad classes in every society: the haves and the have-nots. As mankind progressed from primitive communism, surplus started to emerge and some men started to control the forces of production and unequal relations of production emerged. Thus, modernity according to Marx is a state of societies that has become capitalistic in nature. It is a society where the workers are alienated due to usurpation of surplus value by the bourgeoisie class and rise in commodity fetishism. Durkheim. For Durkheim, modernity is the emergence of societies based on organic solidarity due to increasing differentiation in society. Primitive society. Common collective conscience, similar beliefs is present due to the existence of homogeneous society. The actions of individuals are controlled by the norms and values of society or the collective conscience of society. Religion has significant importance. Low level of division of labor. Repressive law is there to punish the criminals who go against the collective conscience. Mechanical solidarity, i.e. solidarity due to likeness of individuals. Population is also very low, i.e. material density is low. Further, interaction between segments of population is also low, i.e. moral density is also low. Modern society. Diversity exists in society, i.e. modern society is a heterogeneous society. The control of norms and values has weakened and strength of collective conscience is weak. Religion not the basis of collective conscience. Division of labor increased in society to increase efficiency of work. Restitutive law. Organic solidarity, i.e. the one that is based on increased functional dependence of individuals on each other. High degree of material and moral density, i.e., a high degree of interaction between different segments. Weber. For Weber, modernity is a concept related to the process of rationalization. Rationalization is the replacement of traditions, values, and emotions as motivators for behavior in society with concepts based on rationality and reason. The term rational is seen in the context of people, their expressions, and/or their actions. An example of rationalization can be seen in the implementation of bureaucracies in government as a kind of rationalization, as is the construction of high-efficiency living spaces in architecture and urban planning. George Simmel. Modernity as related to city life and the money economy. Features include: new classes have emerged, industrial growth, high level of trade, infrastructure development. Money has become goal of life of city dwellers. Money economy, development of paper economy, currency, checks. Ferdinand Tonies. According to Tonies, there are two types of societies as follow. Gesellschaft. These societies are modern complex societies. There is large-scale social organization where relations are based on rationality. Implicit rules are followed in society according to which individuals in society act. Homogeneous society based on common identities. GEMEINSCHAFT. Small-scale traditional society. Primitive social living. Relationship are driven by emotions, sentiments. Explicit rules in society, written laws. Cosmopolitan society, diversity in society. Thus modernity according to Tonies is a shift from Gemeinschaft to Gesellschaft where relationships are driven by rationality. Anthony Giddens called as juggernaut of modernity. When tradition loses control, grip on individuals and individuals become increasingly reflexive, they are able to examine their own feelings and desires. This is called modernity. Stages of development of modernity in Europe. 1. Europe in Dark Ages till 12th-13th century. 2. Renaissance 14th-17th century intellectual modernity. 3. Enlightenment 17th-18th century. 4. Scientific revolution scientific modernity e.g. Copernicus' heliocentric theory etc. 5. Religious revolution, which is a symbol of cultural modernity. Martin Luther advocated that there is no need of intermediary to reach the state of salvation and focused on rationality to understand the Bible and its verses by the masses rather than the clergy. 6. French Revolution political modernity. 7. Industrial revolution and commercial revolution economic modernity. Values of Renaissance. Individualism, skepticism, spirit of inquiry, humanism, belief in progress through human hard work. Modernity crisis. Crisis situation which raised the concerns and attracted the attention of many modern intellectual scholars. The issues include poor health and sanitation condition, long working hours, alienation of workers. Slums were created due to rural to urban migration. Increase in domestic violence against women. Increase in rate of crime. Increasing inequality because means of production controlled by few marks. Increased rates of suicide. Disruption, lawlessness and anarchy in the society after French Revolution.